Yeah, my wife's doing it again. She beat me. We just found a charm in the ground. She did anyway, and it looks to be looks silver color, but it's showing up on my on mine as a gold charm. So we'll keep a looking around, see what we find next. He's over here detecting. Hey, there's been coins all over this park out here today. From the 70s on up. Not nothing really old, but we're still looking around. We're over here in Marianna, Florida today, and we're going to keep checking the park out and see what we find. So here we are. Found a dollar coin right here. American dollar coin, 1979. $1 over here by this historical train over here. And it's the coin with the eagle on it and the little moon and the lady on the back. Liberty coin there. Found it right over there by this train. We're down here in Marianna today, and it's an old historical train right here. They've got it kind of like a something to look at, I guess. And they got it set up here from probably the early 1900s. But that's where we're at today, and I'm going to keep looking for some more coins and see what I can find. Maybe we'll find something a little bit older than this. I tell you what, today there's all kinds of weird stuff over here by this train. This old train they got set up here is something to look at. But I just found an old, let's see, what is this? Where a kid can be a kid with a little mouse on it. I just found a 2006. Wouldn't that be the Chuck E. Cheese? Yep, the Chuck E. Cheese coin there, token. Imagine that, right here. Dug it out. Not even a foot in the ground here. Huh, very strange. There is no telling what's going to turn up out here today. A lot of people probably come to visit this, and they come and jump off the train here and climb all over it and lose some coins. Huh, pretty cool. Here's something else showing up as gold. It's like a part of a necklace or something. This was laying right on top of the ground. Looks like a little pair of handcuffs or something. Finger cuffs. Go up in this historic train and see what's going on up here. Yeah. Pretty cool. There's my wife out there metal detecting. Kind of dark in here. It's dark in here. So this is what it's like inside one of these trains. Old train. There's my car. They pretty well junked this thing up. This one's for you, Brian. Thought I'd do a little filming and come inside this train here while we was out here metal detecting today, so see what it looks like inside a train. Some kind of tank right here on the side here. Yep, there's the door. There's a ballpark next to us over here. Yeah, we're down here in historic Marianna today. Looking at the old train here. It's pretty cool. Oh, here's all the finds for today. A lot of modern quarters, dimes, and nickels and pennies, and a few weird objects here. Something from a gun, uh, bullet shell here, and like I said, a lot of modern day quarters, dimes, and nickels. And here was the unique stuff we found today: the old button. Possibly silver, and some kind of a gold flower looking thing. Yeah, made of gold, and the Canadian dime here, 10 cents with a sailboat on it, and a Chuck E. Cheese token, and a $1 coin, 1979, and this silver necklace here. Well, that's all I have for today, and that's what we got today. Pretty good bit of coins, but just not old enough.